So the cool thing about this is that built into iGUIDE Instant is the ability to measure directly on the floor plan, which means you can measure for furniture, you can measure to see if your TV will fit on a wall. You can basically measure anything in 2D space by clicking and dragging lines on that floor plan there. And so that's enormously useful for someone who's trying to figure out if they fit in a space and if they want to go see it in person.
Okay, and there's a few more things you can do within an iGUIDE Instant.
That's right. So in addition to floor plan navigation, where you kind of click on the floor plan and you go where you want to go based on room labels or where you think you want to see more detail, or navigating via the visuals, we also have a tag list. So a tag list is basically a list of things that you've identified in the home, and we call them tags because you tag something in 3D space. But that tag list is navigable as well. If I click on the tag list, it will take me to anything that's been tagged. So typical items that would be tagged, it varies, but maybe thermostats, fixtures, things that are interesting, cabinets, countertops, things that have extra detail that you might want to highlight in a home or point out. You can use that tag list to go directly to those things. So it's cool. You have the ability to get the information you want sort of off the rails. You can explore, you can go wherever you like, or you can get that curated experience where someone has picked out some things that they want you to see, and those can appear in the list. So I just showed it there too. There's a floor selector, so you can have multiple floors, and they're accessed either via going and clicking on the stairs or from the floor selector here. And it's exactly what you think it is, basement, main floor, second floor.
And I see 3 dots at the bottom.
Oh, that's some extra goodies. There's some fun stuff in here. You can change your units. You can make the tour autoplay. You can take a screenshot, and you can get to the help if you need it.
Okay, great.